Video, you know. Oh, God, see me?
It have a life. You know what it is?
Yeah.
In this street. Street captain.
Fully bad.
Fully bad, not half.
Fully. Alright, guys, so welcome back again. The new year starts in the Mandeville market. You understand? So we have our master, so we have a master up in there with Alkali by Boom Boom, the Afrocentric chef. So we're going to show you what go on in the Mandeville market while we buy some products that we are going to use to cook down and yard. So just stay tuned. To show you what go on. You know what I say? Yeah, man, market always colorful and always even a little view of the market and how it stays. See me, so just pick up on yourself, you know. Don't go nowhere. Don't go nowhere. Alright, guys, take a look on them papaya here. Planting. See what I want here. See them there. Twin Boss, how much a pound for the pine now? 120. Yeah, well, at 2022 still. Say it's a race down. See them here, guys. Yeah. So Twin Boss, give me a nice size pound and a half there. Give me a pound and a half. Yeah, man, see it there, guys. Don't know a thing, go. A recording artist, man.
Yeah, really?
Yeah, man, a recording artist.
Man. Really, man?
See next one up there, sir.
Really?
Recording artist,
Never know. Never know. I'm not big
no, man, you're not have to peel it, man. You're not have to peel it, yeah? Alright, so Alkali dropping at the bag. So we'll get some carrots, we'll get some ginger, we'll get some onion, we'll get some Irish and all of that. You get me I say?
Yeah, boom, boom, boom.
Boom, boom, boom. Guys, look down in the market. Colorful, beautiful. This is the Mandeville market. If in case you're wondering, Mandeville, Jamaica. Oh, how much a pound for your gungo, my friend? 150 a pound. Lord have mercy. I can't look down at the gungo pan there. For the guys. So if you want gungo, look at this in the Mandeville market. You see, me love promote my people, let me know. You know what I mean? See them produce here. Beautiful as always. We have some nice sweet pepper. See the carrot them here. Big. Sweet potato. Look at that. Guys, you're not getting this anywhere else. If you want any of these sweet potato to ship to you, give me a link to come buy for my friend. See ya? Come buy for her. See if you want anything to ship to you. If you want gungo, link me up. Me find you. I'll find them for you. So, we're going to buy some ginger. And then, huh? What you mean? We are sending customer on them to you, man. What you mean?
Yo, this is the fruit man. Right here, original fruit man in the market.
Original fruit man.
Pineapple thing. I'm in the market.
They get time. What are you there?
I'm going to get a business now.
See some nice cabbage I want. Can't give me too big a one, man. I'll give me. Two. Alright. See cabbage here, guys. Beautiful. Let's show the what go on. So that's a $200, 2 pounds. Yeah, man. See them there. See cabbage, man. Yeah. 2 bills. This. I'm gonna get the change for it. Did you get a change? Alright. Take back the bills. Yeah, man. Support, you know. Yeah, man, big up yourself, yeah? Guys, I tell you, Jamaica produce are really beautiful. Sweet sap, thyme, scallion. Look on the pumpkin. The pumpkin pretty. The gungo, everything just nice and shelly. The Alkali.
I tell you, man, fully loaded in here.
Fully loaded, yeah. Fully bad. Alright, we're going to get some ginger, carrot, and come. Where is it?
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time I come in the market and I want a real fruit. And yes, I'm a buy it from. Remember the pineapple and the watermelon.
Yeah.
Tell about the Viagra.
Yeah.
And yes, I'm gonna get it from.
So guys, this is the Viagra that you need, not the one, not the
and
blue
the
pill.
real natural secret and everything. I am an original fruit man.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Original fruit man. Take your time.
To check in my market. My birthday.
Guys, look at these produce. They're beautiful. Find everything what you need. Jamaica have the best, you know. Don't call it.
Yeah, man.
Jamaica have the best.
I'm not telling everything. Let's turn around and just take a photo. Let's see it. Fully loaded, fully colored.
Real African.
Yes.
We are African in there, guys. I saw Africa, I saw down in Nigeria state, you know.
Nigeria and Cameroon.
Ghana, same say stay. The fruits them just spread out. Spread out. I love it. Yo, see ginger, you know. I them ginger more and
Alright.
much for your ginger, boss? What are you selling? Much for your ginger, friend? Give me half pound. Half pound of your ginger. Huh? Okay, now me I make known public my people them.
Yes.
Give me half pound, yeah? See ginger lady here, you know, she have her yam. How can I yam this?
It's a Lucy.
What name?
Lucy.
Lucy.
Yeah.
Oh, and look on her planting. Jesus peace. Woo! Banana. Irish people. What is his name? Turnip.
Yeah.
See, me know some of them, I know some of them.
Africa, fufu. With the cassava, you see it?
Yeah. Ginger.
Cassava and the planting.
Yeah.
How much is half pound?
How much for it?
150.
150. Yeah, 2 bills. See it, guys. So ginger is probably the last thing we're gonna need. Because we have seen on the bag, yeah?
You have lime?
Yeah, man, we have lime, man.
Okay.
So who you big up for you, mommy? Because somebody for you now before you go, because they are the last merchant me come to, you know. Because somebody for you.
For you?
Yeah, but anybody who you want big up, man.
Alright, no, I'm big up the whole of Mandeville market.
Yeah, whole of Mandeville.
Yeah. I'm big up to you.
Big up to me? Alright, take your time. You gotta see yourself, you know. When you see yourself, you will laugh. So guys, we finish wrapping up, so we'll go down a yard now and we're gonna run a boat. See me? So, don't know a thing, go cooking, making juice, Afrocentric chef. Big up on yourself. Yeah. Guys, I want to meet a Rasta man. Him call himself Pretty Ras. See what it is?
Pretty Ras?
Pretty Ras. He make money every day. Where in there? Where in there? Video you? So guys, see him coconut them here?
What's in this? See there, you know the good things them. Jelly with the belly. Every day we make money. You see? Farmer's price. Can you know
Yeah. Chopper jelly for alkali, no man.
Good things, the best things.
Chopper jelly for alkali. Yeah man, you want to chop one for me man, but for half a video, you know. Oh God, see me?
It have a life. You know what it is?
Yeah.
In this shade. Shade chapter.
Fully bad.
Fully bad, not half.
Fully
bad.
Oh, they man, you're expert, you know man. Wicked.
Yeah, me that.
Him that.
Good things, the best things them.
Go ahead.
Good things, the best things them. Welcome to Moneyville. Out there.
Oh dear.
People.
Nice.
Really good. Wash out your heart. Nice. Good for you, man. If you have any pus and everything in your body and then bleeding and everything, like this good for you, yeah?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
No side effect.
None.
No back effect. Only bring health and preservative. When you go to the pharmacy, you get a side effect. You get some back effect, some front effect. See it here? Everything natural sell medicine. I said we do it. Clean, purge and build. That Rasta deal with. The good things them, the best things them, Rasta hold them. Out here.
See him, so guys. Say my cup one for me shortly.
Right away.
Yeah man, line up one for me then. So guys, Pretty Rasta, you see it? Big up on yourself. We are good in the yard here now. We are left him up. Alright guys, so we're going to go in the mine now. Guys, As sweet as coconut this. Sweet, 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 sweet. So we start the new year on a good foot, good coconut. You know what I mean? It's like, what the Rasta man say, it's like soap wash out your belly. Got you. So guys, we are washing out our belly if we go eat the food on our yard.
Clean purge and build. It's a health and preservative. Everything natural. Clean purge and build. Health and preservative. Do not eat your belly full. Anything can fill your belly. What you're doing is lightning out.
Let your food be your medicine be your food. Alright
guys, so alkali I got help out mama.
Yeah, I just make the fire for you, you know?
Yeah.
So you know, so I just create some like a bram. You see me? Some fire starter.
Yes it. Yes, Happy New Year.
Yeah, Happy New Year.
And guys, the new year Leighton gonna start his YouTube channel where he can show you some more detailed stuff about himself. So I'm gonna put his channel link in the description box. You can just tell them what you're gonna do on your channel and what they're supposed to expect.
Healthy living, bitter honey, packaging products for overseas, and teaching little youths in the community about bees, farming and stuff like that. I call them the bees gang. I look at young youth, probably like 5 or 10 of them gonna be in my neighborhood. So I'm gonna show them about bees, and I'm gonna show them about art, and I'm also gonna show them how to make the Afrocentric bracelet and stuff like that. So keep through, yeah. And
guys, before we upload a video, we want 1,000 subscribers for him, alright? So I'm gonna drop his channel in the description box and the comment section so you guys can follow him. Plus, this is gonna be live, so you might talk to him on the live. So give him 1,000 subscribers before I upload him first today, alright? Same day I help out the great Mama Ena.
Yeah man.
Take your time.
Forward, yeah?
Yeah man.
Want big up on stuff. So right now I'm gonna just use some sponge and set a little fire for grandma, yeah? And get everything cooking. So look at bram already. Tyron,
fire them.
Yo, want your lighter, Tyron?
My lighter?
Let me turn up this lighter. Picking it? Don't follow me now. No?
Lighter turn up, brother. Yeah. See there?
I know it turn up for me.
What? So why you play him, God?
Oh, no, it turn up for me.
Yeah, make it African style fire?
Yes, I make African style fire. It's windy out here.
Exactly.
It's very, very windy, so. Fire burn. If it burn, it's just one burn, yeah? And it's not gonna burn too long. Yeah? You're gonna feel it.
See the guys. African style fire.
Yeah. So bricks, palm brick, palm brick, palm brick, palm brick, palm brick. There are the sticks that way. So everything that I do is all about the African ancestors.
Alright guys.
So we'll soon come back. We'll soon forward, yeah?
You say so far.
We'll soon forward.
Alright. Alright. Fire that.
Fire that. Right there. Boom! Yeah, you know we got right, there's real coconut right here, which is called a dreadnut in Jamaica. So we're gonna bust it right now so we can use it, alright? So it got a little bit of water in it.
I wonder if it's good.
Let's see.
You good?
Yeah, no?
Let's see. Wow!
Nice.
Put that on fire. It's good.
Ah.
And guess what I saw? Hold this, don't eat it.
I don't even know if it was. I can't. Not sure.
Taste away. What did you get? Yeah, fresh. Well, guess what I saw?
What?
I have the coconut. But I don't think it's properly eaten. You want to drink it?
Mama don't want that. Here's the coconut, guys. So we're going to put the coconut in the rice and peas.
Yeah, good time, bro.
Yeah. We're soon ready for Mama. Mama soon come, guys. Alright. So stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. Afrocentric shit.
Yeah, there. Boom.
The Mama here. What you do for you, Mama?
Cut up the coconut.
Okay.
I cut up the coconut for blending. I cook rice and peas.
Mm-hmm.
And curry. You buy curry today?
So rice and peas and curry chicken.
Rice and peas and curry chicken.
And carrot juice.
And carrot juice.
Late now, I'm gonna make the carrot juice here. Alright, so while Mama cut this up, we're gonna finish look on the fire and then we'll get the chicken. And then we're gonna blend this. Mama get blender, you know. No, Mama? So you don't have to grate or nothing again. Get blender, so we're gonna blend it up for her. And then we'll come back shortly. Alright, guys, so stay tuned. And what do you do, Mama? Watch the ads, don't? Watch the ads. And what? Subscribe. Alright.
We're going to cut up chicken in pieces, right? Happy New Year's again, people. And some people say they love my accent, so I'm going to get the English accent right about now, okay? So we're going to cut up the chicken, like this. We're going to joint them. Simple joint, you know? Yeah. 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 We have to deal with it. We're going to keep the skin on. Alright.
So we're going to chop them up, you
Small
know?
pieces.
Yeah. So I know a curry chicken and a big chicken.
Alright. So we're not going to joint them up like how he's not joint them up first, you know? That's pieces. Some just cut off the wing there. Then we're going to just split the breast and the thigh together. See that? Alright. Joint it up again. Just cut it in the joints.
Subscribe, guys. Yeah?
New Year's.
Yeah, New Year's is, you know, we have to job something for the New Year's. Because a lot of time I'm not seeing me, you know. I'm not seeing boss.
Tell them, man. And I got some kids around me. Look at that one, sir. Them not let me out. Them kids love me, I tell you. Alright, so we're gonna jet up. Where's your cotton board? Oh, that's the vegetable one. Huh? What? Yeah, one. Yes. I have one child. His name, a boy, his name is Leighton. Yes, named Leighton. Leighton. Yeah, he's Leighton, not Junior though, but he's Leighton.
Alright.
So I'm cutting small pieces, the breast. Yeah.
Stay tuned.
So we're gonna show some
vinegar. Clean it up.
yes, we're gonna put some more water on it and get it going, you know? And then we
chicken have to clean, have to cut the rawness, you know? So late now help out Mama. So Mama gonna come and season it up in a few. But she gonna put on her rice pot first. Alright, Mama, talk to you. What you gonna do for me now?
I'm gonna put in the rice. No. The rice I'm put in now.
Okay.
The coconut powder.
Not coconut powder is, Mama. Coconut milk.
Coconut milk.
Alright,
Don't throw this in there.
Okay. So I make it come to a boil. See fire there, guys. And you have flavor it up. Do your thing, man. We are watching, you know. Do your thing, serious.
You want to sit for the couple?
Alright, soon come, guys. Alright, Mama, talk to you. What you gonna do?
Cut the butter. Put in the rice.
Okay.
Yeah.
So after you put in your butter, what else you gonna do?
You're gonna wash the rice.
Okay. And this butter is unsalted butter, guys. So when you're making your rice, unsalted butter, and get it in the pot. Look at this, guys, big fire. Alright.
Hey, put on
alright, we have to go season up the chicken. You want to season up for you? Ain't late, huh? Alright, so Mama go season it.
Yeah, make it cry, yes.
What do we do? Our pepper.
You know what this is?
Sure you don't want some more rice, Mama? Add some more rice, man. Because you don't know you're going to share. Share it for you and Papa. George and don't know a thing. Cook it, man. Buy it for you cooking. Ah, see there? See there? So I'm going to clean him up and wash him. And then we'll get him on the fire down there. Alright, soon come. Alright guys, so we're joining over here with the great alkali.
Bayete boom boom.
Why you cut it like that? That's ziplock.
Yeah, but
Alright. Mama, we soak up to you. Soak up to you, Mama. Alright,
so I'm gonna take some chicken.
So you just add some natural seasoning.
Yeah, salt, pepper.
You know,
onion, and the garlic.
Okay.
So I just put some curry on this right now.
Alright. Give it a stir.
Yeah, give it a stir.
Alright, we soon come, guys. Go back at the rice pot. Look at that curry. Nice, smell really good.
Where my pot in the curry?
Really good.
Now.
Soon give you.
Sure.
Alright, look at that beautiful pot of peas, guys.
Go show the rice. Rice in a pot now.
Alright, Mama.
Then the story.
Nice. Real Jamaican country cooking.
They look like a lean too.
Yeah, man, we are straighten it, man. Kinda look lean to me too. Alkali, come straighten the pot for Mama now. Ah.
A story. Big fire, you know.
Alright. Nice. Get your cover, Mama. Gonna leave that to cook.
Fire, so.
See next fire side here, guys. I'm gonna put on the next pot, alright? So we soon come.
I chop in a bottom, you know.
Mama, rice and peas look good? Alright. Can't wait for taste it, guys. See all of them there?
We are gonna burn the curry. Right? Yeah. So I'm gonna put a garlic in it. So that real good, you know?
Yeah. So I got fully bad. Yeah, guys. We are to 20k now, guys. We are to 20k. Let me see what I go on in the pot, in the blah 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 blah. So, let's see what I go on at base.
So we have the chicken here, right? Drop them in there. That's how we chicken. We don't need nothing more than this, and onion, thyme, escellion.
Real Afrocentric shit.
Yeah.
Real original black man.
Say boy, we in granny yard this morning, boy, you're not telling we making some curry. I had to fly away from Trinidad and come here, boy, and cook some food, in grandma yard, boy. See them go and curry up them now, boy. Make it go and stay there now, boy, and make it go and there, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy, I'm telling you, this one gonna be fully bad today, boy. That's what I'm here.
Yes, sir.
Terry.
Alright, chef, talk to me. What is that make for you now?
So, right now, I'm going to make some juice. So, I'm just cleaning off the carrot, then, right? So I'm gonna blend with carrot and pine today. So I just take ginger. And then I use, I don't have no lime, so I use one orange when I buy a market. I use one of the orange where the Rasta give me. You see me?
Pretty ras.
Pretty ras. So that's what I dip right now. So I'm a pine and so and everything like that. You see me?
The pine we're buying at the market.
Yeah, right there. So me.
Yeah, man.
We look at the beat pot already. It's okay. It's good. Just relax yourself right there. Thanks for assistance. Y'all people tired of them. But today, look at me in there. Eh? Look at me in there, people. Eh?
In a rich man. Clean.
Yeah.
Clean.
What your name now? I want you to go plant the seed. So in a couple more, next year you can get some pine to eat, yeah? Find a nice place and dig it, yeah? And put it. So anyway, people. So I'm wash off the pine and everything like that. And I'm gonna cut these up.
Alright, stay tuned. Alright guys, see rice there? Rice there, bun? The dry fire. Alright, so you know wood fire we have to control it. Mama, let me see it one more time, no man. Let me see it one more time because you're a legendary chef, you know. See great mama, yeah? See a great rice and peas there, guys. Pretty. Pretty, and see the next pot there. So, yeah, let me see what I go on in the chicken.
Johnny. I'm gonna get the curry burn, eh? Get this here. To get the curry burn, I look at it. We got the bottom. Alright? Get the bottom. Now, it's almost cooking, but to really make it cook, alright, I'm gonna add some water on it.
Nice.
Now, that'll be the gravy. I'm gonna put my thyme and my scallion and re-season it up again. I'm gonna look at butter. Yeah?
Right.
Now, open it back again until probably like 20 minutes from now.
Yeah, my boy. Mama, what is it now? Talk to them.
A lamp I usually use.
In a hurricane and Evan and Gilbert.
And even not even in a hurricane, we usually use lamp.
Okay. So we lantern.
I've been out, the one and I've been out.
Oh, no, week now. So guys, this is the original kerosene lamp. We make from a thick glass. And Mama used to use it back in the day. And still use it when light gone though. When light gone. You have to have them up here, you know. Alright, so you get left. Coming.
I want to buy burner for.
Alright. Alright. So blending time. Yeah man, your strainer is there, sir.
The car now. Big strainer. Gentlemen, that's the blending of the pine and the carrot together. You understand?
Afterwards, we're going to blend the ginger in it.
We're going to blend the ginger. In fact, I'm going to put some ginger in it right now, cut it up. And make sure everything is blend up, nice and smooth and everything. Big up on yourself.
Yeah, guys.
I don't have any lime, so I'm going to use the orange, right? And just deal with it. So all I did, I just use the top of it.
You have to peel that.
Alright, here we go. People will soon forward, yeah?
Alright.
When the curry pot, like me tell you, I just season back the curry pot over. I just want it to go on down. And then, you know, make the gravy nice and thick. So I tasted and everything, it look real good, real curry, real good. See it, people? You know what I mean? So make it go and boil down a little bit, make the gravy get a little bit thicker.
So late now help out Mama, sir. Late now Mama link up.
Yeah,
big up. Alright, see rice pot there. Alright, beautiful people, look at that. The time of the day when the pot I go shear out. So Mama go do some shearing. Let me assist her. Yeah.
Which one is the mark like this? Give me 2 spoons of rice. 2 spoons of rice. But want any more I ask. I'm not a rice fan. Thank you very much. That's fine for me.
Well, mama.
Go for Kiki. Kiki for 10 minutes ago.
One second.
Alright, nice. I'll stir it up here.
The proper way for using the fork is to just basically get the rice up after it.
You want one of these?
That's alright.
Eh?
That good.
And ladies and gentlemen, remember today is my birthday. So this is like my birthday dinner. You know? So giving thanks. I celebrate a nice birthday. Come on, Granny. Come now. Or you want me to share?
Eh? Share enough?
Sure. So what kind of which one is your meat?
Chicken and this and this and this.
Alright, which part of the chicken you
This
like?
is mama one.
Any part.
Any part. Any part for you?
You have to try around it.
No,
What do you eat?
I like a piece of
Like chicken breast?
It's a chicken breast, man.
Okay.
It's a breast, man. It's a breast, man. I like,
Why you don't take it you?
I like the meaty part. Just good enough for me. And
Very nice.
alright, man.
Have some gravy on it.
That they do. Alright.
Mama no eat
Really?
nothing.
Throw gravy. Alright.
Alright guys, look at that. Look at that array of food and banana leaf. Beautiful. So we're gonna go in and share out the rest of them, and then everybody can eat. We're gonna pray, then eat. Alright? Mama, big up yourself. Big up yourself, mama.
I don't know.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the whole masses, the whole world. This is the moment you have been waiting for, mama. We're gonna pray over the food before we eat, because I don't know it's a principle that we practice for a long time. So, Father God, we come before you. I want to thank you for this meal. I want to thank you for Mama. Thank you for Leighton, giving them the strength to cook it and just giving us life overall. So as we're about to eat, we bless it in Jesus. Amen. So, guys, the food they share for the entire yard, I tell you now. You know what I mean? So, we are going to Leighton. Tell me what it tastes.
Rice, good.
Rice good?
Nice. This will have the coconut flavor.
Yeah, good man.
Very, very much.
Yeah, the coconut rice.
Taste the chicken now. And ladies and gentlemen, you don't know, so the Afrocentric fire make this.
Yeah. I feel food.
Right?
Nice.
Really nice. Yeah, mama going out there.
Let you not come.
Guys, this recipe anybody can try. All you need is curry and chicken, natural seasoning. Yeah, good. Sure, go on the Leighton plate.
See that? That go on good, you know, people.
That go on good.
Yeah, man.
So I go on the mama plate there. So I go on the my plate. So I go on the Tavina plate there. Where I go? See boss, yeah? Him done for him already. Good curry. Third turn, no want no food, guys. So you see him over there, so you know, no want no food. So and I give him Nagi third turn no food, he just no want none. At the moment. You know? So me fix him back. Go in there, Leighton.
Good. It's like my birthday.
And birthday dinner.
Birthday dinner.
I'll do for man.
Guys, really good.
Yeah.
It's not salt.
No. That's what I'm trying to eat healthy, you know? Less too much the seasoning. Unnecessary. You don't need that. It's a blessing, no?
It's a blessing. All the time. You know me now full my belly and I drink no juice.
Oh, the juice there. But never eat first, then we drink. No much time.
I eat and drink.
You can't do that. You don't want that.
I have to sample the juice. Guys, even the cat get food. Everybody get food. Everybody. Alright guys, I'm gonna taste the juice. Alkali special. Whoa, yeah. Guys, Alka, what you say? Fully bad.
Bad.
What you say put in that juice again?
Carrot, pineapple, ginger, and orange. We have no lime.
Oh, so the orange get a nice because this. Guys, this is really refreshing. Really refreshing, we not lie. Plus, in the sea, we're gonna get some of the produce in the market, the Mandeville market. So if any of you guys come to Jamaica and you want to go to a market or anything, that's the place to be, the cleanest market them. So, I'm gonna take one more spoon of rice. Rice is bad, you know, yo. I don't really love rice, you know, but I'm tell you, say Mama cook the best rice and peas. Mama Ena, the best rice.
I tell you, it's not like granny cooking. And Tyron still so lucky to have him granny stung as well and cook. I wish I still have my granny because I cook for me. But she teach me a lot, so I just pass it on, you know?
Yeah. Food are bad. When you don't eat them your food, guys, your belly full and you just want a hammock, you just want to catch a sleep, man.
Yeah.
Make it work in you.
That's it.
You know what I really like about this food? Alkali, you don't use no whole heap of pepper.
Or salt.
No whole heap of pepper, no whole heap of salt. So it just right. I'll baby. They said that, I'll baby. Yeah, man. Come, you want some of my food? Come, you want some food? You want some food? Come. You want to come taste some of mine? Come, walk around now. Guys, they're shy. They're shy. Come. See chicken leg here. One match up a chicken leg here. Alright, you're good now. Don't have to worry, Eddie. See me, she's shy, you know, sometimes somebody trouble her. Cause Leighton's best friend, you know. Was your best friend? You get trouble?
Oh, yeah. I joke, she's still my best friend.
Still your best friend?
Massive. Juice. Oh, cheers. And happy birthday to Leighton. Alkali Bayete birthday is today.
Yeah. Ton boy, you know. Ton boy, you know. Ton boy.
Boy, up on side.
Boy, up on side. Boy. Yeah, guys. So, as we say, we want to thank Alkali and Mama for link up and make a really delicious food. One love from Jamaica. Again, it was nice hosting and having this experience. You know, say we love you. Big up all of the UK, the Canada, America, Australia, Germany, France, all of the whole world. Who me don't remember just because me don't remember. But one love from Jamaica all the time. This is Tyrone, this is Mama Ena, and this is Alkali Bayete.
Boom!
See you soon. Subscribe. Big up.